Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to disable Microsoft Family features. Alright, let's begin. First of all, we have to open up the Task Manager. So just press the Ctrl-Shift-Escape keys at the same time and Task Manager will automatically pop up on your screen. Now from here, let's go to Services tab from the left side panel. Inside it, you need to search for the service name WP-CMON SVC. So just scroll down a bit until you see it. Once you find it, you want to right-click on it and make sure that you actually stop this service. After you stop the service, you need to right-click on it again and click on Open Services. Now here, you want to take note of the description of this service. Then, you just need to find the Parental Control service and right-click on it. Then, go to Properties, and from here, you want to change the starter type. Instead of Manual, select Disabled and save the changes. So that's basically how you can disable Microsoft Family features. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.